Hi, fellow parents of this pandemic. Did your child finally get back to playing soccer or ballet or recently picked up chess or coding online? Well, they can speak Chinese just as well because that opens up a whole new world of opportunities for them. My name is Jeff, and I'm founder of iCanMandarin, the most effective and engaging Mandarin classes out there for kids of any age and of any background. Each and every one of our teachers has a master's degree in education from a reputable university in the United States. All are trained and coached on a weekly basis by the foremost experts in language acquisition and instructional techniques. Our content and pedagogy is tailor-fit for your child's age and interest. If they've taken Chinese before, our lessons meet them where they are, so they start building right upon their current ability. We meet where your child is, not box your child in according to some rigid leveling. Come join us at our open house. See and feel how our teachers engage your child to motivate and develop their communicative capacity in a new language. Space is limited. Please sign up for our next open house at icanmandarin.com/open house. Look forward to meeting you soon and to taking your child on a journey to a more brilliant future.